Hi everyone, my name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula and today I am going to discuss about a very important notification which recently came on October 22, 2024, and this means that linking of PAN is made mandatory for your FSSAI application for your FSSAI licenses, and this is a very major step. I don't know why it has been brought so late, because when we talk about the criteria of filing basic registration or state license or central license, that means up to 12 lakhs, 12 lakhs to 20 crore, 20 above 20 crore. That means linking of PAN should have been made mandatory at the very beginning itself. I don't know how it took so much time, but it is a very amazing, very good step. So who has to link? I'll tell you. Everyone has to link their PAN, and how it will be done, I'll tell you that as well. For example, it will be now applicable from what? New registrations, renewals from the date of renewal. For example, now you are going to register new, then you will link your PAN at the very beginning after putting your KO base. Now if you are going for the renewal of your FSSAI license, then you will do what? You will link your PAN and then your application will move. Third is modification. If you have to make any changes to your FSSAI application, you will first link your PAN and then move ahead. Linking of PAN, you have to put the name and date of birth or date of incorporation as the case may be. This was about the how we can do it now. For example, if you do not have a PAN, what will happen? You have to give a declaration that I do not have a PAN. So you once you give the declaration of this, I do not have a PAN, then you will move further. And if you have a PAN and you have not due any new registration, or your renewal is not due right now, you don't want to modify. For example, you applied it for 5 years, then your renewal is not due. In that case, what you will do is you will go to the FOSCOS portal and you will go to the profile section and you will link your PAN there. So I'll tell you why it is so late, but this is so important step right now, because most of the time what's happened, because in our case, even our day-to-day industry, in 8 years of experience, I have seen what people apply for the basic registration, and even if their turnover is more than 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs or even 1 crore, they said basic registration is okay for us, we'll take care of it. However, for them state license is mandatory, and even if they are selling it online, they still go with the basic of state. And I don't know why the government or the Amazon or something, Flipkart, they are approving or accepting the same. This is a major problem. This has become a major. This was a major, now it is not. It will be get rectified very shortly, very soon, because it has been made applicable from what, 22 October 24. And now everything, your every application will be linked as PAN. Now your PAN is linked means what? For example, you are showing your business turnover as 25 lakhs in your ITR, and however in your ITR you are showing 25 lakhs and you are still operating on basic license, basic registration. So you will receive notice from the Department of Food, FSSAI. Then you will do what? You have to upgrade your, or give the remarks, give the declaration or give the reply. Then you have to upgrade it to the state or central as the case may be. So this was all about this video. If you want to apply for the new registration or renewal or modification, or if you want to link your PAN with your current FSSAI, do reach out to us at 987-806-7337. Our offices are at Delhi and Gurgaon. We provide this service online. This is Pan India. Thank you very much.